All right, you guys, welcome back to the channel. If you don't know, now you know. It's JD on 3, and as you see, I got my boy Junior here. I have done all of his installs on his bike. Like I did in the previous video, I unpacked about $300-400 worth of stuff. I wasn't able to do the handlebar lights because he did not have the handlebar guards. He ordered them, got them in, so now I'm installing the handlebar guards, or the rock guards for your hands, and the lights that attach to them. Fairly simple install. It took me a second to get the tools and all the stuff together, plus we were chit-chatting and whatnot, so it took me a little longer to do it. I didn't feel like going through the full install process just because it's just a lot to do when filming. And you know, I got my boy here, so we were talking, so I just really didn't have the time to sit there and go step by step. But I do have a video already loaded up and ready for viewing, how to install the handlebar guards or the rock guards for the Canam Ryker. So if you want to, go ahead and take a look at that. Once you install the handlebar guards or those rock guards, it's just as simple as a plug and play for the lights. The lights attach on the inside of those rock guards, and then you just have to run the wiring through and attach it. It's all plug and play, fairly simple to do. So it was nothing that I felt like I really needed to record step by step. Plus there's tons of other videos on there. Plus he ordered them from eBay, and eBay actually had a video on how to install them from eBay, about a 1 or 2 minute video, so I just went through that. So anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. You guys stay tuned, there's more to come. It's JD on 3, and you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. Ryker fam, you already know what it is. JD on 3.